How to get apps on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Access the home screen. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to bring up the Smart Hub main menu at the bottom of the screen. Step number 2. Navigate to the apps section. Use the arrow keys on your remote to scroll to the apps icon and select it. This opens Samsung's App Store where you can browse, search, and install apps. Step number 3. Browse or search for apps. In the apps section, you can browse by category. Scroll through categories like video, lifestyle, entertainment, and games to explore available apps. Search. Use the search function, which is typically represented with a magnifying glass icon, to find specific apps by typing their names. Step number 4. Select an app to install. When you find an app you want, select it to open the app's details page. Step number 5. Install the app. Choose Install to download and install the app on your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 6. Open the app. After installation, you can find the app in your home menu or apps section. Select the app to open it and start using.